In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new app in Base44. We'll walk through the very first steps you'll see when you open Base44, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get a new app started, even if you don't have everything fully planned out yet. Once you're on the Base44 homepage and signed in, you'll be taken to the main starting screen for creating an app. Here, you'll usually see a prompt or a field where you can either type in your app details or simply describe what you want to build. This is a great place to start if you already have a clear idea in mind. Begin by briefly describing your app in plain language. For example, you might say you want a simple task manager for my team, or a basic CRM to track leads. Try to include what the app is for, who will use it, and any key features you already know you'll need. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for Base44 to guide you in the right direction. Don't worry about getting every detail perfect at this stage. You can always refine and adjust later. Now, if you're not entirely sure what to build yet, or you just want a bit of inspiration, look for an option labeled something like Ideas on that same screen. Instead of starting from a blank page, you can select from a set of starter ideas. When you click into this section, you'll see a range of common app types or use cases. Browse through them and pick something that's closest to what you have in mind. This is especially helpful if you're new to Base44, because it gives you a pre-framed direction instead of starting from scratch. Another powerful way to get started is by exploring templates from the community. On the same starting screen, there should be an option to explore or browse community templates. When you open this, you'll find apps that other users have already created and shared. These templates can cover specific workflows, industries, or tools, and they often come with fields, layouts, and logic already built in. Take your time to scroll through the available templates and preview any that look promising. Look for something that matches your goals as closely as possible. Once you find a template you like, you can select it as the foundation for your own app and then customize it from there. Whether you choose to describe your own idea, pick an idea to start from, or build on a community template, any of these three paths will successfully create a new app in Base44 and get you moving in the right direction.